Scott Bauer at Trading Advantage joins me now for Stocking Up. Hello, Scott.
Hello, how are you, Angie?
I'm very well. Let's take a look at a couple of stocks that are really moving here, starting with Tesla.
Yeah.
So are you bullish or bearish on this stock now that the news is out?
Yeah, you know, I'm short-term very bearish, actually. When I say very bearish, I'm not looking for the stock to break down to levels that we saw, in August. But I do think we start trading back down to the 210, 215 area, which really is where we were before the hype, kind of rolled into the announcement that we saw at the end of last week with their Model 3. So, we saw the stock trade up on Friday up to about 245 or so, Angie, which has proven to be some resistance, and it failed there. So, short run here, I think Tesla does have some downside, probably $15, $20 worth of downside before we see the next move up.
Well, you know what traders are saying on the floor. How in the world is Tesla even trading this high? Should it be at these levels?
Well, apparently the market, thinks so. It's hard to always bet against Elon Musk, actually. But, in this instance here, I think short run meaning next 4, 6, 8 weeks or so, take the short side.
Let's take a look at Marriott, too, because there's a lot of news here.
Yes.
Now that it looks like the way is clear for Marriott to purchase Starwood.
Yes, and you know what? With the pullback that we saw Friday, I love the stock here. It pulled back into the 66.5, 67 range, is really decent support. It's hit there twice before over the last 6 months, and quite frankly, was right there before, all the news of on-bang, it started coming in, and it's a great area from a technical standpoint to get into Marriott. So, I think in the long run, in like I use short run for Tesla was 4, 6 weeks or so, long run for Marriott going out a month, 3 months, 6 months, I love this stock here. I think the partnership, the new entity with Starwood is one that's going to be combined very seamlessly. They're going to find a lot of cost savings. Revenues are going to be great. And you know what else, Ange? In 3 weeks, Marriott reports earnings, and I'm really looking for a pop there. So if anything, I'm looking out really 4 weeks, 6 weeks. If I was going to be in options, I'd go out to May options.
Marriott is also making a big push to get into Cuba.
Yep.
So that's more business coming the company's way as well.
I'd love to visit and stay there.
Good plan. I hope you do. Thanks for being on the show.
Thanks, Ange.